I'm not going to lie, I'm actually pretty surprised that the market is pulling on back today. What's going on, guys? It's Ricky with Technical Solutions, currently with an active short on NVIDIA. If you tuned on into my live trading session today with the LPP team, you would have seen one of the active shorts that I've taken. But honestly, there hasn't been much progress made in the past hour, just a lot of consolidation. With that being said, overall NASDAQ market's actually a little bit more on the bearish side. The lower highs, lower lows. This started during the pre-market session, and it honestly has continued. There was a really nice bounce back that almost gave some hope for the bulls, but it looked like a nice little bull trap because we ultimately ended up getting rejected. Lack of progress on the upside, got rejected on this moving average, and then confirmed the reversal on the downside. So again, lower highs, lower lows as of right now. The market is actively selling off, and the leader in this is kind of like Apple. Apple ultimately ended up gapping down due to the lack of demand for the iPhone 16 that just came out. I can't speak for you guys, but again, the only reason I pre-ordered my iPhone 16 is because my iPhone 15 just randomly, 1 week before the iPhone 16 came out, just started overheating and no longer working. With that being said, I'm not a huge fan of the iPhone 16. I just want to make sure that my phone works properly, especially because I use it for work. As of right now, lower highs, lower lows. We are seeing a lot more selling pressure just on overall big tech as of right now. And the reason that I said I'm kind of surprised is because this week, like many of you guys know, this Wednesday, September 18th, is going to be the FOMC or the Fed rate decision, where they decide if they're going to be cutting interest rates by a quarter or half a basis point. With that being said, it just would have not surprised me if the market kind of just traded sideways or consolidated leading up to that FOMC rate decision. I mean, I guess it's kind of not too late for that because today we might be selling off a little bit, but maybe tomorrow we'll return back to the previous highs of 475. So we'll see. Only time will tell. And then how the market will react, that's going to be the big what if. We do not know. I'm not here to pretend that I know that, once they announce the quarter basis point or the 25 basis point rate cut, the market's going to skyrocket or the market's going to sell off. No one knows exactly how the market is going to react. No one knows exactly what is going to be reported. So again, there's no reason to try to pretend. I just wanted to make sure that I talked about on the day the current market direction and current market sentiment, and that is simply bearish. We are showing signs of lower highs and lower lows, and if you find yourself over trading, the 5-minute time frame might be something you might want to start paying attention to. It is clear as day to see we are getting rejected, we are trading below the moving average, and we are showing signs of lower highs and lower lows. The same thing with NVIDIA, although this one did have a little bit of a stronger rally. We still got rejected by that 5-minute moving average. A lot of consolidation here right around that 116 to 117 range. So we will see. If we begin to show signs of progress on the upside, then again, we could potentially consider going long and lock in profits at the moving average. If we break the support, then again, be able to short this all the way back down to lows of 114. It doesn't seem to be like a super crazy day. There's not a lot of activity going on right now, and that just wouldn't really surprise me leading up to Wednesday, because Wednesday is the big day. And remember that FOMC rate decision, if I'm not mistaken, is at 2 p.m. Eastern time. I will be live streaming that for free here on the YouTube channel. So just another reason to subscribe. But again, if you're an absolute beginner and you're just getting into this and you would like to tune on into my live trading sessions, I would love to have you. And whenever you're ready, it's the second link in the description down below, and prices will be going up in October. So the best time to sign up is right now. And yes, it's a one-time payment, lifetime access, as long as you sign up before October 1st. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take care, team.